Hi, and welcome to Hands-On Education. Today's video is about birds. Can you name some animals which are birds? The colourful parrot, the singing robin, the nighttime owl, and the swimming goose. These are just a few birds living in our world. What are the common features of birds? All birds have feathers. Some birds, like this peacock, have bright and beautiful feathers to attract a mate or scare off predators. Some birds, like this sparrow, have feathers which blend in with their habitats. All birds have wings, but not all birds can fly, like this kiwi bird. The largest bird is an ostrich. They are too heavy to fly, but they can run extremely fast. Penguins also cannot fly, but they are fantastic swimmers. They use their wings like flippers to glide through the water. All birds stand on two legs, and all birds have beaks, although some beaks are bigger than others, like this pelican beak. All birds lay eggs. Their eggs have a hard shell to keep the young birds safe whilst they grow inside. So what are the common features of a bird? All birds have feathers, wings, two legs, a beak, and they lay eggs with a hard shell. Which of these animals is a bird? A vulture, an elephant, or a shark? A vulture is a bird. Which of these animals is a bird? Sheep, a cockerel, or a frog? A cockerel is a bird. Which of these animals is a bird? An emu, a rabbit, or a snake? An emu is a bird. For your hands-on activity, create a poster to show the information you know about birds. For more information about this activity and more activities related to birds, please go to handsoneducation.com. Year 1, Birds. I hope you enjoyed finding out about birds. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you soon. Bye!